Hi there, everybody. Daryl doing another Riddler 99 box break here. Doing a box of 2010-2011 Panini Zenith that ended last night on eBay. That would be January the 25th, between 7:30 and 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Time is now. Let me pop that up there. Time is now Saturday, January the 26th at 10:24 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So this is the only one I didn't do last night. This break, just because it takes me a little bit longer to package it up, and I had. A lot of things to do last night. So anyways, I'm going to do it now and release it right away because I noticed everybody has actually paid up for the auction, for the break here. So the serial number you can see at the bottom is NE 931-76618. I'm going to show it to you right here. If you go 1080p on YouTube, full screen this, NE 931-76618, you should be able to see that, no problem, I can make it out. Alright guys, it is of course a sealed box of Zenith. I want to thank everybody in advance for participating in the break, as well as wish everybody good luck here. Had some nice things come out of Zenith, hoping to continue that trend. Keep the checklist there because you never know when you're going to need it. We'll do the Dare to Pair last. That's interesting. 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Let's get going. Base cards are not shipped with this break. Brian Boucher. Oh, we have a Z rookie right off the bat here. Kevin Poulin. There we go. For the New York Islanders. Number 50 out of 999. Number 50 out of 999. We have Nick Fortu Legends card for the Rangers that gets shipped. Decoy. Tim Jackman and Stephen Weiss. Could be one of those boxes where you get 2 hits a pack kind of thing. Dan Hamwee. Oh, we have a redemption. I put that down. Rod Gilbert, New York Rangers. Decoy. David Booth and Phil Kessel. Let's see what the redemption is. Autograph rookies number 199. I'm going to pull up the checklist. Luke Adam. Autograph rookies 199. Luke Adam. Buffalo Sabres. Thomas Vanek. Thomas Volkun. We have mosaics for the Minnesota Wild. Clutterbuck, Koivu, and Backstrom. Those are hard to get on camera. We have a Winter Warriors jersey swatch. Vincent Lecavalier. Tampa Bay Lightning. There we go. No number. Cam Ward and Lecavalier base. Kessler, Malone. We have a Darren Pang for the Chicago Blackhawks. A Decoy. Bork and Pecorine. Cruising along. See how far we can get here. Grabowski, Henrik Sedin, red parallel for the Canucks. Joe Sakic, base legends for the Colorado Avalanche. Decoy. Lidstrom and Lucic. Eric Johnson, Michael Camilleri, gifted grinders for the Leafs of Luke Shen. Luke Shen. I don't know if the focus will kick in there. Winter Warriors for the Columbus Blue Jackets of Antoine Vermette. There we go. Koivu and Backstrom. Marc-Andre Fleury, Matthew Lombardi, creases the word, Jonas Hiller for the Ducks. Winter Warriors for the Montreal Canadiens, Andrei Markov. Jimmy Howard and Patrice Bergeron. Mike Green, Corey Crawford. We have a Z rookie for the Dallas Stars, Richard Bachman, number 753 out of 999 on the back. We have a Brian Boucher, not quite sure what these are called, for the Philadelphia Flyers. And we have Mike Richards and James Wisniewski. 2 regular packs left, including this one, and then the Dare to Tear. Tim Thomas, we have a Yours Truly auto, second one in 2 days, I believe. Jose Theodore. If we can get it to focus. Won't focus, but Minnesota Wild. Oh, there we go. And we have a Jean Beliveau base. A decoy. Carey Price and Walski. Last regular pack. Corey Price, Alex Hemsky. We have a rookie roll call for the Edmonton Oilers of Payarvi. We have a LA Kings, Braden Shen, and Patrick Sharp, and John Tavares. Now we'll do the Dare to Tear. It's got buried under a pile of shrapnel there. The big guy today is Cam Neely. Good luck, everybody. I don't think I tore it far enough in there. Yay. There we go. Huh, this one does not want to give it up. Give it up, Neely. Not in the NHL anymore. There we go. Epic's card for Shane Doan, Phoenix Coyotes. So then, as I said, that's it for the box of Zenith. I want to thank everybody for participating in the break and the auction. I have another box going tonight. That would be the 26th, so Saturday night. There should be 6 different breaks going tonight. Something to do while you're watching the hockey game, anyhow. Have a good one, everybody.